Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. YouTube can change your life. It will give you the opportunity to share what you love with the world around you. Think about that. There's a lot of us who have so many creative talents, things that we do in our own life, habits and hobbies that we have that we enjoy, right? YouTube will give you the opportunity to share that with others. And one of the main things that I love about YouTube is it gives me the opportunity to do that. That's one of the things that has kept me on the platform. Being a content creator, being a writer, being an author, being someone who loves to entertain and do music and motivation, inspirational speaker. It has given me the opportunity to share my gifts with the world. And so that's one of the main things that you could do on YouTube. One of the ways it would change your life. It would give you the opportunity to share what you do. Back in the day, remember back in the day, it was like you had to be a star. You had to be someone who was famous. You know, you really had to be big time in order to get out into the world. But now, whatever you're doing, maybe you're doing a podcast or maybe you're just doing a small show that you're starting to grow. Now you can share that with the world. YouTube is exploding, but this is a powerful way that now, no matter who you are and where you are in the world, you can share what you love with the world. So that's one of the ways that YouTube has really changed my life. It has given me the opportunity to share what I love to do with you, giving you the opportunity to see what I'm really all about, to share my passions, to connect. And my channel, if you're new, my channel is for spiritually minded individuals who want to elevate every area of life to the next level through personal development, inspiration, motivation. So when you're starting out, YouTube can change it. If you're someone who really wanted to do YouTube and you never did it, this is a powerful reason to do it. It's a powerful way that YouTube will change your life. And that's one way it has changed mine, giving me an opportunity to share what I do with the world and with those around me. By the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel if you want to stay empowered and inspired. Together, we would love to have you here as a part of Next Level. If you are enjoying the content on my channel, you can show your appreciation with a Cash App donation, a super thanks, super chat, take my books home with you, buy a coffee, any way you want to do it. There are links in the description for you to do just that. And those of you who do that on a regular basis, I appreciate you. You help keep the lights on here at Next Level. I got YouTube right there on the screen. They are one of the tools that you could use to explode your channel. You can get started with them for free. Check out my link in the description, youtube.com/StevonJBiz. Get started for free. YouTube has really gotten slick these days. They're gonna make you work a little bit. There's some certain things and certain secrets that they have that they're not telling us about. As a matter of fact, check this video out right here, coming up on the screen, YouTube secrets that they're not telling you about new features. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So go ahead and check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers, returning viewers. You are the life of the channels. Hit the like button. Share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed. Stay positive. Never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.